All right, guys. We've got the block. We've actually got this sleeve put in. See the new sleeve? Grab the old sleeve so we can show them what we've done. So we've me and James have got this thing. We come over here. We put it in this. We got a sunning oven basically. So we put it in here. We let it bake in the oven for, I would say, about 2-3 hours at 300 degrees. And we yanked this sleeve out. And see, the sleeve has the problem inside of it there, was messed up. And we got that new sleeve all put in. So once it got 300 some degrees and it was heat soaked, we definitely slid it right out. We had a slide in already, dropped it back in. Then we held these bolts down and let it cool off nice and slow. So now we need to come in here and we're going to start cutting out the bottom so it does like the other ones. So I got it taped off. See how these are all cut to clearance at the top and the bottom. This one is not. That's all got to be clearance like that one for the stroke. And then so I'm taping it off so that we can start grinding and cutting. So we're going to do that, and then after that we're going to do some O-ringing, and then should be ready for the hone. So, all right.
And looks like it's going.
You're saying you're going deep.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go with it. Looks good. Measurements look good. Start. Yeah, this should be it's definitely one of those tough repairs. When you definitely tear up a piston and mess up a sleeve, it's not an easy repair. I mean, this is people are like, oh, it's easy to go racing and just get as much on dry. Not only the situation we got, we do all the work, so it ain't like we're sending the engine out. We're doing all the work ourselves. Me and James are out here put sleeves in it, O-ringing it, cutting the sleeve, and we got to hone it. We're gonna get all the pistons. I'm gonna get them coated and fill up the new thicker. Fill up where we're gonna have to hone out about 2 or 3 thousand. So now let's get these O-rings wrapped up. I'm gonna go. It's a 39 wire. I'm gonna put it in. So it's about 14 thou out. Everybody has their own setups and stuff. That's what we do. Some people say they're way different and it works better, but everybody's got their own way. All right, so we've got the sleeve in. We got the O-ring cut. We didn't put the ring in yet, but we got it all cleaned up at the bottom. Now, with that new cylinder, what I want to do is when we burn that piston up, we're trying to get better ring sealing stuff this next time. So we got some different hone stuff we're going to try out. I actually talked to a couple of my friends, engine builders, and people like Mark Benson Racing Engines. Used to be German race cars, one of the big parts to help us, and Bullet Racing Engines too. Just taught us a lot of stuff. So we'll listen to all these guys, kind of getting everybody's information. We're kind of taking it, using it our way. But everybody's helping, it's a big part. So now we're going to get this block off of here, set it down, get our stuff in there. We're going to get in the honing tank. We're going to switch to certain grit stones. I got a certain deal that I'm going to try this time, see what we can do. I'm not going to say no different stones we're using and all that yet because I want to make sure it works. Kind of we try it on our own stuff and learn. So we're going to learn and see what we can do here.